Peripheral neuropathy. Home remedies. 7 easy fixes. Seniors can try today. Do your feet ever feel like they're buzzing, but there's no phone in your pocket? Or maybe your toes tingle for no reason, or go numb halfway through your walk. You might think, well, that's just part of getting older. But here's the surprising truth. It's not just age. It's a condition called peripheral neuropathy, and millions of seniors are quietly struggling with it every day. The good news? You don't need expensive treatments or painful procedures to start feeling better today. In this video, I'll show you 7 easy home remedies you can try right now to calm those nerves, improve circulation, and bring relief back to your feet naturally, safely, and right from your own home. And stay tuned until the very end, because I'll share a bonus tip that's helped thousands of seniors soothe nerve discomfort even faster. It's something you've probably never heard of, but it could change how you feel every single day. All right, let's jump in. And remember, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell if you want more senior health tips every day. Ready? Let's go! All right, before we dive into the fixes, let's quickly understand what we're dealing with here. What exactly is peripheral neuropathy? In simple terms, peripheral neuropathy is when the nerves in your extremities, usually your feet and hands, get damaged. These nerves are supposed to carry messages between your brain and the rest of your body, like a little telephone line. But when they're damaged, the messages get garbled or lost. That's why you feel tingling, numbness, burning, or even sharp shooting pain. Think of it like this. Imagine you're trying to listen to your favorite radio station, but there's a bunch of static. You can kind of hear the music, but it's fuzzy and distorted. That's what your nerves are doing, sending mixed-up signals to your brain. And here's the thing. This doesn't just come out of nowhere. Peripheral neuropathy can be caused by a number of things. Diabetes is a big one, but also poor circulation, vitamin deficiencies, alcohol use, certain medications, or even past injuries. Sometimes the cause isn't clear at all. The important part? You don't have to just live with it. While you should always check with your doctor for serious cases, there are small, simple things you can do at home to help your nerves feel better, strengthen your circulation, and get your comfort back. And I promise we're not talking about anything fancy or expensive here. In fact, some of these remedies might even be fun, or at least they'll make you smile. Remedy #1, warm foot soaks. Let's kick things off with something super simple, and honestly, pretty enjoyable. A warm foot soak. You might be thinking, really? Just soaking my feet? Yes, really. Warm water helps improve blood flow, which is essential because poor circulation is one of the sneaky culprits behind nerve discomfort. Here's why it works. The heat from the water relaxes your muscles, calms down irritated nerve endings, and boosts circulation. That extra blood flow brings fresh oxygen and nutrients to your nerves, which can help reduce the tingling and numbness you're feeling. Now here's the practical tip. Fill a basin or tub with warm, not hot, water. You don't want to burn yourself. Add a handful of Epsom salt, which contains magnesium and can help relax your feet even more. Soak for about 15-20 minutes while you read, listen to music, or just relax. Bonus, you get soft spa-like feet without paying $50 for a pedicure. Your toes will thank you, and so will your wallet. All right, now that your feet are happy and relaxed, let's move on to our next easy remedy. Remedy #2. Gentle stretching exercises. Let's move from soaking to stretching. Gentle movement can do wonders for nerve health. When you stretch, you help keep your muscles flexible and improve blood flow, both of which are essential when you're dealing with peripheral neuropathy. Why does this matter? Well, when your muscles stay stiff and tight, they can put extra pressure on the surrounding nerves. That pressure can make tingling, numbness, or pain worse. But when you stretch, you create space for your nerves to relax and function better. Here's a simple way to start. Try some ankle circles. Sit comfortably, lift one foot slightly off the ground, and slowly rotate your ankle in a circle. 5 times in one direction, then 5 times the other way. Or do some gentle toe wiggles. Just move your toes up and down like you're tapping to your favorite song. These small movements might not seem like much, but they keep your nerves and muscles active. And the best part? You can do these exercises anytime, while watching TV, waiting for the kettle to boil, or even while brushing your teeth. Who knew wiggling your toes during a commercial break could count as medicine? Let's keep the momentum going and check out the next easy home fix. Remedy #3, vitamin B-rich foods. Now let's talk about what's on your plate, because what you eat plays a huge role in nerve health. One of the most common hidden causes of peripheral neuropathy, especially in seniors, is a vitamin B deficiency, particularly B1, B6, and B12. Why does this matter? These B vitamins are crucial because they help maintain the protective coating around your nerves, known as the myelin sheath. Think of it like the insulation on an electrical wire. Without it, the signals get weak or jumbled. When you're low on these vitamins, your nerves struggle to function properly, leading to that frustrating numbness, tingling, or burning. But here's the encouraging part. You can replenish these vitamins naturally by adding more B-rich foods to your diet. It's like giving your nerves a little daily repair kit. So what should you be eating? For vitamin B1, thiamine, reach for whole grains, nuts, and seeds. For B6, add in foods like chicken, tuna, bananas, and spinach. And for B12, which is especially critical for seniors, focus on eggs, dairy products, fortified cereals, and if you eat it, fish and meat. If you're vegetarian or vegan, it's worth noting that B12 is mainly found in animal products, so you might need to consider a supplement. Here's a simple tip you can try today. Swap out your usual breakfast for a B vitamin-packed alternative. For example, a bowl of fortified whole-grain cereal topped with sliced bananas and a handful of walnuts gives you a hit of B1, B6, and some healthy fats, too. Pair that with a hard-boiled egg on the side, and you've just created a nerve-loving breakfast. And hey, bonus, adding these foods doesn't just help your nerves, they boost your energy levels, too. You might find you're more alert, your mood improves, and you even sleep better. Plus, who doesn't love a reason to eat more spinach? If Popeye could build muscles with it, maybe we can rebuild some nerve strength too. All right, we've covered soaking, stretching, and nutrition. But we're just getting started. Let's head into our next easy home remedy that brings relief right to your doorstep. Remedy #4. Massage with essential oils. Next up, we're diving into something that feels amazing and helps your nerves at the same time. Gentle massage with essential oils. You might be thinking, wait, is this just an excuse to pamper myself? And honestly, yes, it kind of is. But here's why it works. Massaging your feet or hands boosts circulation, relaxes tight muscles, and helps stimulate the nerve endings that might be feeling dull or tingly. It's like waking up a sleepy foot without the pins and needles part. Now, adding essential oils can give this massage an extra boost. Oils like lavender, peppermint, or eucalyptus are known for their calming and cooling effects. They don't just smell nice, although they really do. They can actually help ease discomfort and promote relaxation in the muscles and nerves. Here's a simple at-home routine. Pour a few drops of your favorite essential oil into a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil. Never put essential oils directly on the skin. They're too strong. Rub the mixture between your palms, then gently massage it into your feet, starting from the heels and working up toward the toes. Spend a few extra moments on any sore or tense spots. Your feet will tell you where they need attention. If nothing else, your house will smell amazing. You might even find your cat or dog following you around the living room, wondering what magical scent you've turned into. Bonus points if your spouse suddenly decides to give you extra hugs because you smell like a fancy spa. The key here isn't to press hard or cause pain. Gentle circular motions are more than enough. Think of it as giving your feet or hands a little thank you massage for carrying you around all day. So go ahead, put on some calming music, light a candle, and treat yourself to a few minutes of this daily. Your nerves, your muscles, and even your mood will thank you. All right, time to slip on those comfy socks and move on to our next easy and surprisingly fun home remedy. Remedy #5. Proper footwear. Let's talk shoes. Yes, your footwear might secretly be making your nerve pain worse. Many seniors don't realize how much proper shoes matter for nerve health. If you're wearing old, worn-down shoes with thin soles or poor support, you're adding unnecessary pressure on already sensitive nerves in your feet. It's like walking on a rocky path without a cushion. No wonder your nerves are irritated. Here's why good shoes help. Cushioned, well-fitting footwear reduces pressure points, supports your arches, and improves overall foot alignment. This takes stress off your nerves, gives them room to recover, and can significantly ease discomfort over time. So what should you look for? Wide-toe boxes, no more squishing those toes together like sardines. Cushioned soles that absorb shock when you walk, arch support that matches the shape of your foot, a snug but not tight fit. Remember, you want a gentle hug, not a death grip on your feet. Here's a funny thought. You know you've reached a certain stage in life when you get excited about comfortable shoes. Suddenly those fancy high heels or old sandals are out, and you're looking up reviews for orthopedic sneakers like they're luxury cars. And honestly, that's smart. Investing in good footwear is one of the easiest ways to protect your nerves and prevent further damage. Plus, today's orthopedic shoe designs are actually pretty stylish. We're long past the days of ugly but supportive footwear. Here's your practical action. Go check your current shoes. Are the soles worn down? Are the heels tilting to one side? If so, it might be time for a refresh. And trust me, your feet will thank you with every step you take. All right, now that we've got you standing tall and comfortable, let's tackle the next home remedy, one that might surprise your sweet tooth. Remedy #6, reduce sugar intake. Now I know this one might sting a little, but we've got to talk about sugar. Excess sugar is one of the biggest enemies of nerve health, especially for seniors. High blood sugar levels damage small blood vessels, which in turn reduces the oxygen and nutrients that reach your nerves. Over time, this leads to further nerve damage, especially in your feet and hands. The good news? Even small cuts in sugar can have big benefits for your nerves. By balancing your blood sugar, you help slow down nerve damage and, in some cases, even reduce the symptoms you're already feeling. Look, I'm not saying you need to throw away every cookie, pie, or scoop of ice cream in the house. But maybe, just maybe, it's time to break up with your nightly bowl of double chocolate fudge ripple. I mean, you and sugar have had a long relationship, but maybe it's time for a we need to see other people talk. Here's a simple tip. Instead of sugary snacks, reach for natural sweet options like fresh fruit, a handful of nuts, or a small piece of dark chocolate. These not only satisfy your sweet tooth, but also provide fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats that actually support nerve health. And remember, reducing sugar isn't just about desserts. Watch out for sneaky sugars hiding in sodas, flavored yogurts, salad dressings, and even some healthy-looking cereals. You don't have to be perfect overnight. Start small. Skip the extra sugar in your coffee, cut down on sweetened drinks, and replace one sugary snack a day with a healthier choice. Every little change helps your nerves breathe a sigh of relief. All right, ready for one more? Our next home remedy is all about something you should do every single day, and it only takes a minute. Let's jump in. Remedy #7, daily foot checks. Here's a simple but crucial daily habit that can save you from bigger problems down the road. Check your feet every day. Peripheral neuropathy can dull the nerves that normally warn you when something's wrong, like a blister, a small cut, or swelling. Without those signals, you might not notice an injury until it turns into a much bigger issue, like an infection. And trust me, none of us want to deal with that. So here's your easy daily ritual. Once a day, maybe before bed or after your shower, take a close look at your feet. Check between your toes, the soles, the heels. Look for any redness, cuts, blisters, or areas that seem swollen or warm. If you have trouble seeing the bottoms of your feet, use a mirror or ask a family member for help. Here's the humor part. Think of it like a VIP security check for your feet. No unauthorized bumps, cuts, or blisters allowed past this point. You're the boss, the bodyguard, and the bouncer, all rolled into one. If you spot anything unusual, don't ignore it. Keep the area clean, dry, and if it doesn't improve quickly, call your doctor. It's much easier to treat small problems early than to wait until they turn into something serious. This one simple habit, just 1 minute a day, can help you keep your independence, stay active, and avoid unnecessary doctor visits. It's a tiny investment with a huge return for your nerve health. Now, as promised, we're heading into a bonus tip, one that most people completely overlook, but it could become your secret weapon against nerve discomfort. Ready? Let's go! All right. Here's a little bonus tip you probably didn't expect. Turmeric, yes, that golden yellow spice hiding in your kitchen cabinet, might actually help calm nerve discomfort. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Studies have shown that chronic inflammation can contribute to nerve damage, and reducing that inflammation may help protect and soothe your nerves. Here's how to easily add turmeric into your day. Sprinkle it into soups or stews. Mix it into scrambled eggs or rice. Add a pinch to a smoothie, or try turmeric tea, sometimes called golden milk, made with warm milk and a little black pepper to help with absorption. Fair warning, turmeric stains everything yellow. Your countertops, your dish towels, your favorite white t-shirt. Consider yourself warned. Treat it like a spice with superpowers, but also a tendency for mischief. If you're not big on cooking, you can also find turmeric supplements. All right. Now that you have 7 easy remedies plus a bonus, you might be wondering, is there anything else that can give you extra support, especially when the nerve discomfort just won't quit? And that's where our final tip comes in. and it's something many seniors have found incredibly helpful. Let me share it with you. If you've made it this far, you now have a powerful list of home remedies to help calm and protect your nerves. But here's the truth. Sometimes, even when you're doing everything right, eating well, stretching, soaking, and checking your feet, you still need a little extra help. That's where AlphaCure comes in. AlphaCure is a specially formulated supplement designed to target nerve discomfort right at the source. It combines research-backed ingredients like alpha-lipoic acid, curcumin, the active compound from turmeric we just talked about, and B vitamins to help reduce nerve inflammation, improve circulation, support natural nerve repair. What makes AlphaCure so popular among seniors is that it's designed for gentle daily support. It's like adding a little extra layer of protection for your nerves, helping you move through your day with less discomfort and more confidence. And no, this isn't about magic pills or overnight miracles. It's about giving your body the tools it needs to heal itself from the inside out, alongside the daily habits we've just covered. If you're curious to learn more, I've included a link below where you can check out AlphaCure for yourself. Many seniors have shared how it's become a key part of their daily routine, and who knows, it might just become your new secret weapon too. So, to wrap things up, which of today's remedies are you excited to try first? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend or family member who could use some nerve health support. Here's to stronger nerves, happier feet, and a more comfortable you. See you in the next video.